I honestly cannot believe Rachel Reeves is still Chancellor. Every time she opens her mouth about property, she proves that she's completely useless. And the latest brainwave coming out, a fair tax that's going to absolutely hammer ordinary families. You may not have heard about it, but you may have seen it on the news, you may have seen it in social media. It's blown up everywhere right now. She wants to scrap stamp duty for buyers and dump the entire bill on the sellers instead. If you think that sounds harmless, you're about to find out why this could destroy your wealth. Picture this. You've slogged away for 20 years paying your mortgage. Every month. Never missed a payment. You finally decide to move. Maybe downsize. Now the kids have left home. Maybe move closer to the grandchildren. Whatever it is. And then bang. Before you've even called the estate agent, the government grabs a massive chunk of your savings. And they're calling it, some are calling it, a mansion tax. That's just laughable. Either Reeves has never seen an actual mansion, or she thinks you're stupid enough stupid enough to believe that a cramped 3-bed terrace house is one. Because the threshold they're floating, it's not £5 million actual mansions, it's not £2 million luxury homes, it's 500,000. 500 grand. Now, if you're up north, you're probably thinking, $500,000 sounds like a lot. Here's the reality check. The average home in London is 667,000. It's not a penthouse, it's not a mansion, it's a bog standard terrace with dodgy plumbing and a garden you can't even swing a cat in. So, let's be crystal clear. This isn't about targeting Russian oligarchs in Belgravia. This is targeting your family, your home, your savings. Think about what this actually means. You're 65, ready to retire, finally getting some breathing space. And suddenly, the Treasury slaps a tax on you that could be tens of thousands of pounds. Or, if you're trying to upsize for a growing family, you could sell your £500,000 flat and buy a £650,000 house. But now you've got 30 grand less to pay for that deposit. So what happens? You either borrow more and pay higher rates, or you settle for less space. And here's what Reeves clearly doesn't understand about basic economics. Sellers just won't absorb that cost. They won't. They'll hike their asking prices to cover it. But if the property then doesn't value at that inflated price, the buyer won't be able to get a mortgage, the sale collapses, nobody moves. Market paralysis. This proves she's completely out of touch with reality. Maybe she's always had a comfortable pension to fall back on. Who knows? But she clearly doesn't have a clue at all what it's like for ordinary families like you and I today, scraping together that deposit while prices keep climbing, praying that the mortgage broker gives you the green light and the yes, watching interest rates jump while you're trying to exchange contracts. That's the reality most people face. And her solution? Slap another tax on. And here's what really grinds my gears. Put a threshold of £500,000 on, and you completely and utterly distort the market. Homes at 495 suddenly look like incredible bargains. Homes at 510, nobody's going to touch them. Dead in the water. The whole market seizes up, and it seizes up around that whole arbitrary line that they will have drawn. And we know how the story ends. We do, because it's happened before. Today, that line will be 500,000. Next year, 400,000. Then 300,000. Eventually, everyone gets dragged into the net. And it's a disaster. Absolute disaster movie. Back in the 70s, they tried a land development tax on sellers. You want to know what happened? The market froze. Transaction volumes collapsed. Supply dried up overnight. And rents, they went absolutely mental. Either Reeves hasn't bothered absorbing or reading that history, or she's arrogant enough to think she'll magically get a different result. But here's the part that really makes my blood boil. When you hammer sellers with punitive taxes, fewer people move house. When fewer people move, supply shrinks. When supply shrinks, rents explode. And who ends up paying the price? Not some billionaire in a Kensington actual mansion. Not the hedge fund with a portfolio of thousands of properties. It's the tenants who see their rents jump by £200 a month. It's the first-time buyers who get priced out completely. It's the growing families who desperately need more space, but they just can't afford to move anymore. That's the brutal truth nobody wants to admit. It's just not a tax on the rich. It's another middle-class squeeze dressed up as fairness. It's another con job that hammers the very people politicians claim to be trying to help. And here's what you need to understand about the system we're living in right now. You cannot stop governments from inventing new ways to take your money. You can't. It's always going to happen. They'll always find a fresh angle. Your wages, already taxed. Your pension, well, they're eyeing that up even more. Your savings, inflation, it's eating those alive. And now it's your home. The brutal reality is, do you stay on the side that keeps getting squeezed year after year, or do you finally learn to play the game the other side has known the rules to all along? Because let me tell you something about people who actually understand property. They always adapt. When taxes change, they restructure their deals. When laws shift, they've already found the workarounds. When markets wobble and everyone else panics, they're buying up bargains because they see it as opportunity. And while ordinary people are paralysed by scary headlines, the smart money is quietly profiting. And that's exactly why we built Property School. It's not just a rant about government incompetence anymore. Although, to be fair, someone actually needs to do that. But to give you some tools and strategies the wealthy use to protect themselves and to profit. And to actually help you get ahead. Inside Property School, you're going to discover how to raise money for deposits, even if you don't have any savings. How to structure deals, so taxes, like this new seller tax, barely scratch you. How to spot genuine opportunities hiding inside those scary newspaper headlines. How legal loopholes that the wealthy have been using for centuries, can be used by you. There's also content and masterclasses that cover all of the different property investing strategies. Everything from BRR to commercial conversions, no money down, serviced accommodation, it's all in there. Everything's in there. And better yet, you're going to be joining a community of people who are adapting right now, and they're helping others in the community do the same. So instead of sitting there paralysed, waiting for politicians to fix things, you could jump on board right now, check us out, and get all of that support. We're not going to lock you into any long-term contracts or anything like that, because it's cancel anytime. Joining's easy. You just go to property.school/go. Let me say it again, property.school/go. Let me share the link. property.school/go. There you go. Come check us out. You can join for less than 50p a day. Like I say, it's cancel anytime. Because here's why you need to do it. The uncomfortable truth is, this game is rigged. But only if you don't know the rules. Once you understand how it all actually works, you can flip the whole thing in your favour. You can build up rental income that grows while your bills keep rising. You can own assets that actually benefit from inflation instead of getting crushed by it. You can even profit when governments dream up nonsense taxes like this mansion tax. It's crazy. So, here's your choice. You can keep trusting politicians like Rachel Reeves and keep praying and hoping they're going to find some magic way to fix it all. But they clearly haven't got a clue. The evidence is all around us. And you can watch yourself get squeezed harder every single year. Or you can come join us. Learn the real rules, the rules of the game, and start playing on the winning side. Because I guarantee you this, the government isn't coming to rescue you. No one is. So, you better rescue yourself. And the fastest way to do that is to own the right assets and know exactly how to play the property game properly. So, come check us out. Type into any browser, property.school/go. Like I say, you can join, cancel anytime, join from less than 50p a day, completely risk-free, because inside you're going to find everything that you need, not just to survive what's coming next, but to turn it into serious profit and wealth. So again, go to property.school/go right now, go and type it into any browser. Before I finish, there are perfectly legal ways for you to structure property deals so this kind of seller tax won't even touch you. But I can't break that down in this video. But that's exactly the sort of stuff we cover off in our masterclasses around raising finance, how to buy property at auction. That knowledge alone could save you 10 grand, 20 grand, maybe even 50 grand or more. So don't wait until Reeves drops this bomb in the autumn budget and you're left scrambling to react. Don't do that. Go over to property.school, join today, and flip this game in your favour before it's too late. Again, go to property.school/go, do it now, and I'll see you inside to help you maximise this opportunity. It's once in a decade opportunity. Go now, property.school/go. I'll see you inside.